this is a Lily's Sugar and Cream cotton yarn. Slip stitch. I'm just gonna chain 3. Now I'm gonna work into my first chain, and I'm gonna add some double crochets into that first stitch. That first stitch can act like a magic ring as well. I'm on my 5th double crochet. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, and let's slip stitch to join. Chain 2. I'm going to put 2 stitches into each stitch around. My last stitch. Here we go. We're going to slip stitch to join. Chain 2. Let's see if we're laying pretty flat. Yeah, it's looking nice. So we're going to do an increase on every 3rd stitch. Here's my 3rd stitch. I'm going to add an extra double crochet into that stitch. That's my increase. And then into every 3rd stitch, I'll add the increase. And do that same pattern all the way around. And I'm increasing in my last stitch, and then I'll slip stitch to join. Make sure we're laying flat. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and fasten off. And make a whole nother circle like this. Did I end up with the same size? That's good. Now, if your tension's off, you could end up with two different size circles, but I came out okay. So let me go ahead and fasten off. If you've ever tried to crochet socks, you know what I'm talking about. So now I'm going to crochet these two pieces. I'm going to crochet these two circles together back to back. I do have right sides out, facing out, and I'm just going to get like a contrasting color. So I'm taking my two right sides, got two wrong sides, putting those together, and I'm going to go ahead and do this green. This is also Lily's Sugar and Cream, and I'm gonna do a slip stitch, and I'm thinking what would be really nice. Let's see, so we need to attach our yarn. I'm going into any stitch, just getting all the way. I'll show you that again. So I got my slip stitch on my hook, and I'm working into this stitch under both bars and both bars of the other. And I'm going to slip stitch and chain 2, and then into the very same stitch, yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This is a half double crochet, and I'm going to do a half double crochet all the way around, just like that. I'm working into both bars on each of those stitches. Yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. I'm just gonna yarn over, yarn over, working into both bars on each of the circles. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all three. And I'm going to do this all the way around. So we've got one more round. Lilies and cream, tea rose. So let's slip stitch. And working into any stitch, just those top two bars. We're gonna slip stitch to attach our yarn and chain two. Add 3 more double crochets into the exact same stitch. And all this is, from here on out all the way around, is 4 double crochets into each stitch, and this is going to give us a little ruffled, frilly flowered edge. So 4 stitches, 4 double crochets in each stitch around, and I'll meet you at the end of this round. Alright, so on my last stitch, just slip stitching to join, and I'll fasten off. Let's see. Adorable. I'm gonna weave in those ends.